Hello, and welcome to Quick Tech Rundown. In today's discussion, we're exploring OpenAI's latest release, the GPT Builder. Before we begin, remember to subscribe for more insightful tech content. Let's dive into it. OpenAI has rolled out the GPT Builder, providing ChatGPT Plus subscribers the ability to personalize their ChatGPT experience. Following its debut at Dev Day and overcoming a DDoS attack, OpenAI officially launched the GPT Builder for ChatGPT Plus subscribers, empowering users to shape their ChatGPT experience. The GPT Builder operates through natural language. Users input the type of chatbot and desired capabilities, and the Builder takes care of the rest. While building a GPT from scratch requires attention and time, it's significantly less complex than coding a bot. The aim is to enable non-techies to effortlessly create apps that suit their needs. In hands-on tests, it took about 1.5 hours of interaction with GPT Builder to create a custom GPT for handling PR emails. Though there was some back and forth, the potential here is significant. For those eager to dive into GPT building, here's a quick overview to get you started. To access GPT Builder, you need to be a ChatGPT Plus or ChatGPT for Enterprise subscriber. Once signed up, look for the Explore option on the left sidebar. Now, you're in the GPT Builder. The left side is where you interact with the GPT Builder bot, and the right side previews your GPT. Ready to talk to the bot? Make sure Create is selected. The bot's prompt will ask you what kind of GPT you want. Answer in plain English, and fine-tune the details through back and forth interactions with the bot. A paperclip icon allows attachments. You can upload Word documents or Excel files to provide your GPT with structured data. Once instructions are set, the bot kicks off the GPT building process. It may ask follow-up questions to understand your GPT's behaviors better. Naming your GPT and choosing a logo is the fun part. The logo is a visual badge for your GPT, and you can ask the bot to revise it if needed. After building, you'll receive a message saying it's ready to use in the Gizmo Playground, where you can test your GPT's capabilities. If things aren't perfect, head back to the GPT Builder, tweak, iterate, and provide feedback. The bot will update your GPT accordingly. Once satisfied, hit the green Save button. Privacy matters. You can choose to keep your GPT private, semi-private with a shareable link, or make it public. You can always go back and edit your GPT. Just click Configure in the left-hand GPT Builder pane. Tweak it, refine it, make it yours. Your custom GPT will be waiting for you on the ChatGPT screen. So that's it. If you learned something, feel free to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tech rundown. Thanks for watching.